This Razab 3 PC Nonstick Copper Frying Pan set is a great addition to any kitchen. It includes 3 useful sizes: 8, 9.5, and 11 inches. These Razab 3 PC Nonstick Copper Frying Pans are perfect for cooking eggs and omelets. They also work well for many other dishes. The set comes with lids for each pan. Plus, you get silicone spatulas to help with cooking. The non-stick ceramic coating makes cooking easy. Food slides right off these Razab 3 PC non-stick copper frying pans. Cleaning up is also a breeze. You won't have to worry about food sticking and causing a mess. The pans heat up evenly, so your food cooks well. They are safe to use on induction, gas, and electric stovetops. This makes them very versatile for different kitchen settings. These frying pans are designed to be easy to use. The silicone spatulas are gentle on the nonstick surface. The lids help trap heat and moisture for better cooking. While some might compare them to brands like Viking or T-Fal, these offer their own value. If you follow the manual, you can avoid damage. This set is a solid choice for everyday cooking needs. And hopefully, you won't have any complaint about their services. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: non-stick surface, copper look, 3 sizes included, comes with lids, ceramic coating. Silicone spatulas, good for eggs, works on induction, works on gas, works on electric, easy to clean, healthy cooking. Cons: handles can get hot, uneven heating possible, lids get very hot, quality may vary, box may arrive damaged, not much real copper, handles hold water, lids hard to assemble. Features: set of 3 pans, non-stick surface, copper exterior, includes lids, sizes 8, 9.5, 11 inch, ceramic coating, silicone spatulas included, great for eggs, ideal for omelets. Works on induction. This Razab set has 3 frying pans of different sizes: 8, 9.5, and 11 inches. They have a non-stick surface and a copper color on the outside. Each pan comes with a lid. The inside has a ceramic coating, which helps food not stick. You also get silicone spatulas to use with the pans. These pans are good for cooking eggs and omelets. They can be used on different kinds of stoves, like induction, gas, and electric. This Razab cookware set has 3 frying pans: 8, 9.5, and 11 inches, that have a copper look and a non-stick ceramic coating, which makes cooking eggs and omelets easier. The set includes lids for each pan and silicone spatulas to help with cooking. These pans can be used on different kinds of stoves like induction, gas, and electric, and they are easy to clean. However, the handles and lids can get hot, and some people have found that the pans might heat unevenly and the quality can be different from set to set. Also, the box might arrive damaged. The pans don't have much real copper. The handles can hold water, and the lids might be tricky to put together.